RAL Space is the UK's national space laboratory. We operate in satellite and instrument design, testing, commissioning. We have a large history with ESA, NASA and various other space companies and space industries, and we're world leading in a lot of our areas of expertise. We've done work on the ESA Copernicus missions like Sentinel-3, Sentinel-4 and Sentinel-5. We've done a lot of the calibration and testing work for those. NSTF is our National Satellite Test Facility, so here we will have minibus-sized 7-ton satellites coming in, and we'll do electromagnetic testing, dynamic testing and thermal vacuum testing on these. And we've got the facilities for all of those in here, so we'll just move the satellite from one facility to another without going outside or to another facility. So it's all in one building, one house, one test campaign. In the UK, no other facility has all three types of testing in the same place. So you'll have some places that will have their RF facility. They'll have another building in another country that will have a massive vacuum chamber, like our LSTC at 8 by 12 meters, and you'll have another facility that will have the vibration facility, but there's no other place that has all three in the same place. So, I mean, this is a new building, so we're doing satellite level 7-ton minibus size for the first time, but we have done smaller scale up to car-sized in R100 in our 5-meter vacuum chambers and our 3-meter vacuum chamber in R25. So we have experience with the thermal vacuum and the dynamic side of the testing of satellites, as well as electromagnetics on the instrument smaller scale.